Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess and this is a very quick video, and I'm making this because a good number of people had questions from one of the video that I posted. I'm going to put it up there, put a card showing you guys the video, or you can just like check the description to watch the video after this one if you haven't seen it. But just a brief introduction. Upwork is a job platform, upwork.com. So people go on there, if they have jobs, they post it on there and they are hoping to be connected with people who can actually deliver on their jobs. So two things, there's a freelancer and there's the job poster. So there are people who need job, who need quick gigs. Some of these gigs you can do them in an hour, two, in a day, in a week, in a month, different type of jobs and different type of durations and different skills. So it's just a platform that connects the freelancer to the job poster. Simple introduction. But however, if you're looking to apply for these jobs that are being posted on the platform, you need something called connects. And this connects, you need to buy them with money. If you're looking for a way to apply for these jobs without having the connects, that's the money to buy the connects, and you're looking for a way around it, that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So in a minute, I'll just walk you guys through how I do it on my screen. So that being said, yeah. Okay, now so I've opened Upwork on my laptop. I'm going to open one of the jobs here that probably has my interest. Like I said, we do not have the connect to apply for this job, but we are interested in it and we want to apply for the job. So what we're going to do is we're going to find any evidence of the company name, or at best the name of the person who posted it. So we're going to scroll down to, this is just an example. It's not like I'm trying to apply for this job anyways. So we're going to go down to the part where it says client history. So if you tap on this one, you'd see all the people that the client is working with at the moment. Then if you scroll down, you see people who have given reviews, the ones with the stars, which means people who have given reviews on this client, and we are looking for evidence. And this one already has it here. This one says 5 star, working with JM and C company name was a great experience. This person was professional, kind, had a clear vision, da 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 da. So this is already giving us evidence of the person who owns the company and the name of the company. This is already very clear. I'm just going to copy it, open a new tab, and just paste that in. Um, This is a very lazy way. Like, you just need to scroll down. If you are scrolling through a particular job and you guys can't find the name, the full name of the person who posted, or the company name, you can't find anything, please keep it moving. It shouldn't be like it has, like, there's no do or die to say it has to be that particular job. Like you can see here, this is the company website. So if I'm interested in this job, I can apply for this job. But this job was not recently posted. It was posted 2 days ago. Another thing that can help you be very concise to make sure you don't make any mistake, when you copy the name of the person and name of the company, on the side here, you would have the about the client. It puts the exact location, United States, Villa Park. You can copy this United States Villa Park and then just paste it into your Google search, United States Villa Park, and then paste in the name of the client and the name of the company, and it will bring out the company website for you. So now if you want to apply for any job, it's always best to go to most recent. If you go to most recent, you can find a job here. This one was posted 25 minutes ago. If I tap on it, this one summary, the person already put the name of, can you see? It's right here. Hi, I am Davis. Person already put his name. So it's not always very hard. Some jobs will have it there, some will not have it easy for you to find. If it's too difficult, please keep scrolling. There are many other jobs. There will always be. You see, this one even went on to put his handle, which means if you're even serious, you can send this person a message on Facebook, TikTok. This is his handle. So please, there are many ways you can find. If you can't find it there, you can always go to a review, find it in the review. Maybe the person that works with the client before may have put it somewhere there. So yeah, this one also confirms that the person posting this job is Davis, like it said in the job summary. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That's the quickest way you can find a job poster and apply for their job if you don't have connect and you're looking for how to contact them directly. Yeah, if you did find this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. It's a quick one, but I have a couple other videos related to freelancing. If you're looking to get into that, please do well to check out this playlist. I'm going to be linking somewhere on the screen there, and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I'm almost at 8,000 subscribers as at the time I'm making this video, and I'm so excited to have everybody on this community in this community here. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. Like I said, I've said that a couple of times, but I keep saying it. It's a good way to support me. And yeah, subscribe for more videos. If you have questions, please do well to drop it below in the comment section. If I can, I'll answer you directly, or if I need to, I'll make a video answering it for you. Thank you guys. Until next time, my name is Princess, signing out. Bye to those.